InvestorIdeas.com podcast.
Good afternoon, and welcome to another InvestorIdeas.com podcast, looking at cannabis news, stocks to watch, as well as insights from thought leaders and experts. Today we're looking at announcements from Fire and Flower Holdings Corporation, trading on the TSXV Venture as FAF, Cannara Biotech Incorporated, trading on the CSE as LOVE, Cannabis Growth Opportunity Corporation, trading on the CSE as CGOC, Vireo Health, trading on the CSE as VREO, and Sol Global Investments Corporation, trading on the CSE as SOL and the OTCQB as SOLCF. First, let's look at Fire and Flower Holdings Corporation, who today announced successful first-month operations of its cannabis click and collect service. The click and collect service allows age-verified adult-use cannabis consumers to reserve cannabis and accessory products for pickup at stores across the provinces of Alberta and Saskatchewan. This service was launched as part of the company's mission to curate the world of cannabis for its customers who seek a more convenient and information buying experience. Certain cannabis products sell out rapidly, and the click and collect service ensures customers are able to reserve high demand products and receive priority service when visiting a store. The click and collect service has been adopted very favorably, particularly by our loyal customers using mobile devices, shared Trevor Fencott, Fire and Flower's Chief Executive Officer. We're seeing rapid and continuous growth in our click and collect service across the entire Fire and Flower retail network. The service was developed by High Fire Incorporated, Fire and Flower's digital product studio, that was acquired by the company in July of 2018. High Fire Incorporated has significant cannabis e-commerce experience, including work with Metrum Health Corporation, Starseed Medicinal Incorporated, and Canopy Growth Corporation. Next, let's look at Cannara Biotech Incorporated, an emerging vertically integrated cannabis company focused on cultivation and cannabis-infused products, who today announced that its subsidiary GlobalShopCBD.com Incorporated has closed private rounds of financing for aggregate proceeds of $8 million. Cannara remains a majority shareholder of the US-based online e-commerce platform with approximately 61% ownership position. As the hemp CBD consumer markets continue to evolve, which is increasingly clear as the health and wellness segment is becoming more prominent, said Zohar Krivarat, President and CEO of GlobalShopCBD.com. The high level of investor interest in participating in ShopCBD.com underscores the potential of both CBD products overall and, moreover, a best-in-class online platform to serve this market. Next, we look at Cannabis Growth Opportunity Corporation, a cannabis-focused investment corporation with both public and private cannabis holdings, who reported that Vireo Health International Incorporated, one of the private portfolio holdings, commenced trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the ticker symbol VREO on March 20th at the opening price of $5.65. In conjunction with its previously announced business combination with Darien Business Development Corporation, Vireo raised over $50 million by way of brokered and non-brokered private placement offerings. Vireo is a physician-founded and scientifically focused multi-state medical cannabis company. CEO Dr. Kyle Kingsley founded the company in 2014 after winning one of the only 2 vertical licenses issued by the state of Minnesota. The company has gone on to expand its businesses across multiple states, focusing its efforts on limited license medical states. Vireo has a successful track record of winning licenses and competitive application processes. Jamie Blundell, President and Chief Operating Officer of CGOC, commented that Vireo has proven to be a committed and dedicated company who have achieved their goals and objectives as stated. We expect significant upside within the company as they continue to expand their reach across the U.S. Our investment in Vireo has provided a return of 188% in 9 months and is a great example of how our private investments can quickly add value to CGOC. This will positively impact our NAV when calculated in April, and at the current share price, CGOC represents a unique and vastly discounted opportunity to benefit from the continued success within its sector. Finished Jamie Blundell. Lastly, we're going to look at Sol Global Investments Corporation, who announced its investment into leading premium soda maker Jones Soda Corporation, trading on the OTCQB as JSDA. Sol Global has acquired 3 million common shares of Jones Soda in the open market. Sol Global's total investment represents approximately 8.19% of the total issued and outstanding common shares of Jones Soda, which based on publicly available information makes the company the largest stockholder. Sol Global has filed a Schedule 13D within the United States Securities and Exchange Commission describing its investment in Jones Soda. The Seattle-based Jones Soda Company, founded in 1986, is known for its wide variety of flavored craft sodas made with pure cane sugar and other high-quality ingredients. The company's most recent product launch, Jones Ginger Beer, as well as 2 new sugar-free soda flavors, joining its core brand, including its Jones Soda product line, Jones Carbonated Candy, and Lemon Cocoa, a premium non-carbonated drink made with high-quality lemon and coconut flavors. Jones Soda is sold in eye-catching glass bottles and cans in fountains and restaurants and is distributed throughout North America. The company continues to innovate in its core brands as demand for healthier sodas that contain high-quality ingredients grows, and has also redeveloped the majority of its product line using colors derived from natural sources. Jones Soda has an iconic retro band in the soda bottle and fountain beverage sector, and we believe the company's true value will be recognized by the market as its new offerings gain steam, said Sol Global Chief Investment Officer Andy DeFrancesco. It is clear that Jones Soda is committing to being in the front lines of innovative product development while staying true to their iconic brand.
That's all for today's podcast. Podcast is now a certified word trademark on the blockchain through Cognate Incorporated's CM certification. InvestorIdeas.com podcasts are also available on iTunes, Spotify, Google Play Music, Stitcher, iHeartRadio, Spreaker, and TuneIn. If you'd like to be a guest or sponsor of this podcast, please contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded that all investments involve risk and possible loss of investment. Investor Ideas does not condone the use of cannabis except where permissible by law. Our site does not possess, distribute, or sell cannabis products.